Hi, welcome to What's Up with DJ. Today I'll be making air fryer garlic butter scallops over fettuccine Alfredo. And here's my supplies. And let's get started. First I'm going to open the scallops. It's just going to be a quick, easy dinner video. Pour the scallops in the little cake pan. And we're going to pour those. Those are semi-frozen, not completely frozen. And then we're going to be adding some Old Bay spice to them. The Old Bay spice is really good on seafood, so I'm going to be putting some of that on there. Just put as much as you'd like. I put a little bit liberal with it. And then I'm going to put a little garlic sea salt and a little bit of 4 peppercorn peppers. And my batteries actually went out midstream on that, but I was able to get a little bit more out. Next I'll be putting some garlic butter. This garlic butter already comes with everything in it. It's really good on a lot of stuff. I needed a little bit more, so I needed to open another one that I had. These are going to be following on the line of like shrimp scampi, except they're little tiny mini scallops. And then we're going to go ahead and get this prepared to go in the air fryer. Just put our little pan right in there. Fits perfect. It's a 7-inch pan. This is a Power Air Fryer XL. 5.3 quart. And I'm going to set this at 380 and I'm going to set it for 15 minutes. Scallops don't take very long to cook. And here they are. They smelled so good. Garlic buttery scallops. So good. And then I was just going to make a little fettuccine Alfredo in the microwave. Just showing you the box. It's very simple, very fast, very good. And here's our finished dinner. Scallops over fettuccine Alfredo. Garlic butter scallops over fettuccine Alfredo. It was really good. Very moist, very good. I topped it with some Parmesan cheese. There's my buddy Sammy wanting his sample. Anyway, thanks for watching this quick, easy video. And I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.